The retro grain shader can be found under SASSE Library Materials Specialty. You can drag and drop that onto your object, and it gives you this sort of a classic grainy retro noir kind of look to me. So you can change any setting that you want to in here. Change the color, you can supply it a texture. Turning down the light band threshold in this case will maybe, just kind of turn the effect off, but it does work to a degree. We've got roughness. I believe this is based on diffuse, so I don't tend to see roughness do too much, but it's there if you need it. Turn the rim light up or down like with the others, mask or not. Ambient occlusion, shadow depth is all the way up to give you black shadows, but you can get some quite different effects with that. The surface input, I believe, is, it's being used in light band to give you this stippling effect. So we can also apply that to the rim light input. And we can see the scale is, I believe that's at 10,000. So it's an extremely high value for the light band. And maybe it would be a good idea to demonstrate what that is actually doing. So if we turn this light band input down, we can see we've got just our regular banded shader. And if we turn this down, then that we've got that same effect that we had with the regular textures and the regular diffuse. It just looks like we're breaking up the shadow lines. But if we go with an absurdly high number here, then the lines are broken up so much that it becomes this extremely soft transition. And if we really push that value, it'll max out at 1. Then we get this sort of like old film grain almost look that'll have this kind of soft, subtle motion as you move it around. It is also sensitive to colored light. So we have green, blue, and red.